Today, we're talking about something that's become increasingly popular: how to shoot workout videos at home while still keeping things looking and sounding professional. Whether you're a personal trainer who wants to build an online presence or simply someone who loves sharing your fitness journey, you'll find plenty of valuable tips here. We'll cover everything from choosing the right gear, like using your phone as a camera or investing in a lavalier mic, to setting up great lighting and a clean background. I'll also share why specialized editing tools like FitCut Pro can make your life a whole lot easier. Ready to roll? Let's get started. Filming workout videos at home has some fantastic perks. First, it's super convenient. You can record whenever you feel inspired without worrying about gym crowds or studio rental fees. Second, it's cost effective. Using your own space saves money and time. Lastly, a personal setting helps you connect with viewers on a more relatable level. People like seeing real life home workouts that reminds them that they can exercise in their own living space too. Overall, filming at home puts you in control of every aspect of production. Modern smartphones come equipped with powerful cameras capable of capturing high-resolution video, often in 1080p or even 4K. If you want more control over focus and exposure, consider apps like Camo, which turns your phone into a high-quality webcam. Alternatively, if you're part of the Apple ecosystem, Apple's continuity camera lets you link your iPhone and Mac seamlessly, allowing you to record or stream with ease. Both options give you more advanced settings than your phone's default camera app, which is perfect if you're aiming for a polished look. Great visuals are important, but clear audio is crucial in workout videos, especially if you're coaching, counting reps, or giving safety cues. A lavalier mic or a clip-on mic ensures your voice remains audible even if you're moving around. Many models can plug directly into your smartphone or camera, while some come with wireless transmitters for extra mobility. By using a lav mic, you spare your audience the frustration of straining to hear your instructions. Proper lighting can elevate your production. Natural window light is often the simplest route. Just remember to face the window rather than having it behind you. If natural light is limited or you're filming in a dim room, a ring light or softbox kit can evenly illuminate your workout space. Avoid harsh shadows that might obscure your form and do a quick test shot to fine-tune your lighting setup before filming the real deal. Next, let's talk about positioning. In workout videos, viewers need to see your entire body head to toe to properly follow your moves. Set your phone or camera on a tripod or stable surface at about waist or chest height, angled slightly downward. This approach captures both standing and floor exercises without needing constant adjustments. If you'll be moving side to side or forward and backward, mark your workout spot on the floor with a piece of tape so you won't accidentally step out of frame. Also, do a quick test run of typical exercises like squats, lunges, or push-ups to check that you remain in view. Good framing eliminates viewer frustration and ensures they can replicate your moves safely and accurately. Your environment sets the stage for your workout. Keep your background clean and clutter-free. A messy room can distract from your routine and diminish the professional vibe. That doesn't mean your background has to be boring. A couple of plants, motivational posters, or organized shelves with fitness gear can add personality. Just avoid overdoing it. Make sure you have enough room to move freely and safely. If possible, film in a quiet area or at a time when household noises are minimal. Clear space equals a clear message. By the way, once you've got all that footage, you'll need to piece it together. If you're looking for an easy-to-use tool geared specifically toward fitness creators, check out FitCut Pro. It's perfect for adding timers, labeling exercises, and creating a professional finish without the complexity of traditional editing software. Definitely keep it on your radar. No matter what software you use, there are a few editing best practices to follow. First, trim out unnecessary footage, like you setting up the camera, fixing your hair, or adjusting the mats. Keep the pacing tight and energetic to retain audience interest. Next, consider adding simple text overlays for each exercise or for counting sets and reps. This visual cue helps viewers stay on track. You might also want to include a quick intro bumper or a brief outro to brand your content. If you're into music, pick a royalty-free track that complements your workout style. Just ensure it doesn't overpower your voice. Finally, if you're doing a high-intensity routine where each interval counts, an on-screen countdown timer can be a game changer, something that FitCut Pro handles seamlessly, saving you a ton of time in post-production. Once you've finished editing, review your video in full. Check audio levels, verify the exercises are labeled correctly, and confirm that your lighting and angles look consistent. A single watch through can catch small errors before you share it with the world. When everything looks good, export it in a suitable resolution. 1080p is usually ideal for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Congratulations! You now have a fully produced workout video that can guide your audience through a safe and effective routine in the comfort of their own home. And there you have it, everything you need to shoot great workout videos from home. From using your phone and a lavalier mic for top-notch audio to setting up proper lighting and a neat background, these steps will help your content stand out. Remember, if you want to streamline your editing process and add specialized fitness features, be sure to go to fitcutpro.com and try it out for free. It's built for creators like you who want professional results without the steep learning curve. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kind of workout videos you plan to shoot next. Happy filming, and we'll see you in the next video.